Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone if it's frozen. So it's pretty simple. If your phone is like frozen and you can't really access the touch screen or something like that, you can restart it by using only your keys or the buttons. So if you want to restart it without like touching your screen and only using the keys, what you do is you quickly tap volume up, volume down, and then power button. So it should look something like this. There we go. If your screen looks like that, without any other sliders, that means that you've done everything correctly, and just keep holding the power button until it turns off. There we go. Now the phone's turned off. So let's try turning it back on now. I just need to hold the power button, wait for a few seconds until the Apple logo appears and you can release. So there we go. Now the phone is restarting, and that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.